I'm in St. George, Utah, and I found this place called My Place Hotels. And it's about 60-70 bucks a night here, and I've got to say that I am pretty impressed with this place. Really impressed, actually. For the money, this is a huge value. So I'm going to walk you guys right in here. This is the check-in area. All right. Looks like a little store. Is that coffee free coffee?
Yeah.
Free coffee. And I'm sure snacks that aren't free, but you could buy. And a cool little business center. Some plugs to charge your stuff. Is there like a breakfast or anything here?
Yeah, so breakfast costs $4.49. We bring it to you the night before, and then you warm it up and eat it in the room in the morning.
Okay.
You just kind of pick like one entree, one side, and one beverage.
Okay, so there's a $5 breakfast basically.
Uh-huh.
And that's pretty cool. And then I'll show you the room. There's the end of the hall down there. Here's the elevator. But I got a room on the first floor. So, just right over here. I am staying in room 116. Alright, I already got my door open. So, check this out, okay? I mean, it's a small room. Here's the bathroom real quick. It's got the shower rod like I like. It's a little tub. It's a brand new hotel, so it's very clean. A very cool sink area. And it's a tall sink. I really like that. Because you don't have to bend over so far to brush your teeth. Okay. Very clean, very neat. And you've got a full-size mirror there on the door. A nice, comfortable recliner. Very comfortable. It's got the lamp like I like with the place to charge, but it's also got extra charging station stuff over here. And in modern days, well, you know, modern days, you need extra charging stuff for all your stuff. The bed is actually really soft. I opted for the one queen size bed since it's only me staying in here tonight. And this is the TV. This is the kitchen nook with lots of charging options here. Very cool. And this is the closet area. It's supposed to snow here shortly in St. George, Utah, which is supposed to be a blizzard here pretty quick. Anyway, this is my room view. There's my rental car right there. Looks like a couple of Tesla charging stations. Closet area. They are pet friendly. They said that there was a person staying in this room that checked out today that had a dog, and if I didn't like the smell, that I could change rooms, no problem. But I can't smell any dog at all. So I'm fine with that, but they're cool with pets. And this is a very cool thing here in a hotel. You got a 2-burner stove, okay, and a microwave, big nice microwave, and a little sink, coffee maker, toaster. Okay. The only other place that I had stayed in recently that had all this stuff was the Trump Hotel. So it's got some of the same amenities. Okay. Some cabinets here. Now, I don't know if they have pots and pans. But that's a full-size refrigerator. So this is, I guess, basically more set up for a extended stay type of situation, I'm guessing. And there's nothing in any of these drawers, but hey, that's handy to have right there. So anyway, this is it. And I'm going to make another video of the pool area. All right, life is good.